Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Latina Plants. Today we're doing a shop with me at Home Depot. Please make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and click on that bell to get notified every time I upload a video. And don't forget to share so that others can see these videos as well. Looking here, they got some new Casa Farms pots. They have some crotons here and some bonsais. The Casa Farm crotons are going for $9.98. Everything is super wet because it looks like they just watered all of these plants. They also had some wick and grow as well. These go for, I believe, $7.98. Yes. And then they have your regular wick and grow down below. Again, these are all going for $7.98. And here they have some hanging baskets, some beautiful lush hanging baskets with some begonias and peperomias. And these all go for $20.98, the larger baskets, and I believe the smaller baskets go for $16.98. And they had some Hoya Crimson Queen or Princess. They had some ivies, some ferns, some beautiful cebu blues, some tradescantias, and some lipstick plants. Here they have some orchids for $29.98. They had so many orchids available in this store. I don't really know if a lot of people buy so many orchids or not, but down below here they had some of these Dieffenbachias, and I believe these were going for $15.98. These are from the Referral line. And over here they had some peace lilies. These are from, I think that this sign doesn't go here. That says Alocasia cuculata, but that's not what that plant is. And again, here are the cacti and succulents. There were a few people in the store, which is why I am showing you these plants again. I didn't want to just stop recording. And so I wanted to give you a little bit more of a look at these plants here. They have some beautiful sansevierias. If you haven't checked out my previous video, it's a plant tour of Bountiful Gardens. Go ahead and check that out. Here are some anthuriums, and they're going for $14.98. Down below, they have the Provine Winners Costa Farms pots. They have a Benjamina, and sorry I got a little shaky, I almost fell. Here they have the Hoya Sabah, and they had some ferns available. But I think the Hoya Sabah was the only Hoya that they had left of that batch. Here they have some new Proven Winners Leaf Joy, some Philodendron Tortums, and these are going for $19.98. They also had the Adansonii and this Alocasia bisma here. They have some Calatheas as well. And then they had the Vigoro line right behind with some golden pothos, lemon meringue, some of these beautiful Calatheas as well. And these are all going for $15.98. They had some ZZs and some Aglaonemas. Down below they had some peace lilies, Phoetonias, and ivies. Here they have their large floor plants. Hopefully I'm not going too fast for you guys. There were quite a few people in the store, and so I was trying not to be in their way or get them on camera. Here down below they had some of these Stramanthe trio stars, some peace lilies, some nerve plants here, And then I found these pink princess. I'm going to pull some of them out so you guys can get a look at them. These are looking pretty healthy, and they do have some nice variegation, and they are from Vigoro for $15.98. Pretty good price for the pink princess. Not a whole lot of variegation, but it does have some variegation. And then over on this cart, they had some more Proven Winners and some Vigoro at the bottom. Here's that Alocasia again, the Alocasia Visma. They also had the water globes with the philodendrons and calatheas in there. Just had to take another look at the philodendron pink princess. I actually sold mine that I picked up over a year ago. I separated the two plants that came in the pot and I sold them separately. Here they have some ponytail palms, some Aurelias, and the braided money trees. And these are going for $16.98. And these baskets. Over here they have some beautiful blooming spring plants. They have your cyclamens, some blooming kalanchoes, and some of your hydrangeas and bulbs. If you're interested, check out my chatty repot with me. Here are some more kalanchoes. I will also put the link in the eye for you guys in case you want to check out my repots. And these are going for $9.98. Down below they had these gardenias. I think these were going for $18.98. And these have some beautiful white flowers. I don't think that you can keep gardenias alive outdoors, but I'm pretty sure that the azaleas can live outdoors in Jersey, and these are going for $12.98. I thought these were super beautiful in their blooms. The color is just gorgeous. If you guys have picked these up before and grown them outdoors, let me know if they would survive in Jersey or not. I'm not sure if that certain variety of azalea would survive in Jersey outdoors for the winter time or not, but I was intrigued because it has some beautiful blooms. These are going for $29.98. And they have some braided money trees on the bottom. Here are some more orchids available. They have some small pots here, and they're pastel in color in the pink, and they're going for $14.98. The larger ones in the blue and pink here are going for $19.98. And you can get that like pastel blue or pink or the white. And these larger ones are going for $29.98. This one did not have the price on it. I was looking for it. I didn't even see it on the tag. So I'm not sure if this super larger ones are $29.98. I'm guessing it is. Just trying to find the prices here for you guys, but look at those beautiful blooms. Really beautiful orchids here. Here's another cart of some orchids for $29.98. And then here we're looking at another Proven Winners Leaf Joy line. Taking a look at the Hoyas to see what they have. They have some of these Hoya Adrift, they're calling it, but it's the Hoya Rosita. It's not looking too happy, but they do have a lot of the Hoya Carnosa Freckled Splash. They also had the DS70 variegated, and those seem to be in a lot better condition. They also did have some pretty splashy Hoya Carnosa Freckle Splash. And the Fidgii, they were looking pretty good and healthy. And up here they had some more Hoya Rosita, not looking too good. We looked at these H2O bowls before. They have the small variety as well as the larger varieties in stores. They also had these terrariums. Nothing new to look at there. Here they have their cacti and succulents. These are going for $5.98. Thought this was pretty interesting. Had to see if those spines were pokey or not. This one is kind of fuzzy feeling. Feels pretty cool. Kind of looks like little raviolis. I hope you guys enjoyed this shop with me. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and click on that bell to get